Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this week I have just done a quite interesting project in which I create eye makeup look inspired by the evolutions in Pokemon. And here's the first one, Eevee inspired eye makeup look. If you want to know how to make it, then keep on watching. First, I use this eyeshadow from Morphe 35B palette as my eyeshadow base. And then I use the shade name Putter in the Jaclyn Hill palette to patch on my crease by using a fluffy brush. This is a brush from Real Technique. I will blend it out until it faded to my skin. Next, I'm gonna deepen up my crease by Mocha in Jaclyn Hill palette as well, by using the same brush. I tend to use same brush for many eyeshadow because I want to save money on buying brush. As blending, I'm gonna use between the two color, which is Mocha and Putter from the Jaclyn Hill palette, to move back and forward in order to blend it like as efficiently as possible. Then I'm gonna use the base eyeshadow again from the palette Morphe 35B to fix the eyeshadow up. Like if I have it too much, I will use it to fix it. It's kind of like an eraser, if you know what I mean. Then you may want to use the fluffy brush with the excess eyeshadow from Mocha to blend again to get the pigmentation that you want. Next, I'm gonna use the shade Soda Pop from Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and now I'm gonna use a pencil brush to deepen the crease. Whenever you use a much darker tone eyeshadow for deepen the crease up, you always want to use a different brush. And now I'm gonna use the concealer as well as the angle brush to cut my crease. For using an angle brush to cut my crease is my habit. I'm not used to using the flat brush to cut a crease because I just feel like using the angle brush. And today we're gonna do a full cut crease with the little kind of tail at the end of the crease. You will see. Now I'm moving outward to the tail of the crease. And as you can see, I'm creating kind of a pointy tail. I'm trying to imitate the tail of Eevee. And I'm using the smaller brush to clean up the crease line. I wanted everything to be as precise as possible because that's just my thing. I want everything to be precise and neat. Now I'm going to use the eyeshadow base and patch on it to set the whole concealer up. Now I'm gonna use the shade called 24/7 in Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette to patch on the outer part of the lid. And then I'm gonna use a shade called Queen in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and patch it on the middle of the lid by using my finger, because finger swatch can get the most pigmentation, you can tell. And then I'm gonna use a flat brush to get to some edges of the lid. This is kind of the bronzy gold, which I really like it. And I use a smaller brush to get the precision. Now I'm just gonna use the shade Soda Pop from Jaclyn Hill palette to patch it on my waterline by using a pencil brush. I use a shade called Chip in Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette to patch in the middle and diffuse it out. And since I went a little bit over, so I used the base eyeshadow from Morphe 35B palette to fix it up. By this, you can fix whenever you want, because like you don't have to be afraid when you go over with your eyeshadow, because whatever mistake can be fixed by an eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to use the white liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics and sketch out the pointy tail pattern of Eevee. You can see the reference photo by searching for Eevee image on Google, but I kind of memorized it in my mind, so I was just sketching it out. I will make sure that the tip of the tail is as pointy and as precise as possible, because that's what I want. Next, I'm gonna glue on some colorful gems by the Lash Glue, and that's it. This is the finished look of Eevee Inspired Eye Makeup. And thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you like it. And the next video gonna be which evolution. If you want to see, then wait. See ya!